Hi you guys. So today we are going to be working with the slope formula. We have three problems that we're going to solve and find the slope for. So if you can remember the slope formula, it's going to be y2 minus y1. We're always going to label our slope as m. So anytime you see a m, we're talking about slope. So slope is going to be rise over run. So that means y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so let's take our first problem. We have ordered pairs -4, -9, and 2, 6. So when I say y2, y1, what I mean is this is y1, this is y2, this is x1, this is x2. So we're going to take those numbers, we're going to plug it into the formula, and we're going to solve for the slope. So for the first problem, we're going to have m equals y2, which is 6, minus y1, which is a -9, and that's going to be over x2, which is 2, minus x1, which is -4. And we're going to solve. So 6 minus a -9 is going to be positive, positive. 6 plus 9 is 15. 2 minus a -4 is going to be positive, positive. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now we can simplify 15 over 6 by dividing by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 5 over 2 is the slope for our first problem. Okay, problem number 2. We're going to do the same thing. So we're going to do y2 minus y1. So we're going to have 8 minus 6. And on the bottom, we're going to have 5 minus a -10. Okay, and we're going to solve. 8 minus 6 is 2. 5 minus a -10 is going to be 15. We cannot simplify that, so that's our answer, 2 over 15. Okay, number 3, our third problem. We're going to do the same thing again. So we're going to have -2 minus a -2 on the top. On the bottom, we're going to have a -1 minus 3. -2 minus a -2, positive, positive. So -2 plus 2 is 0. On the bottom, -1 minus 3 is going to be a plus minus. -1 minus plus -3 is -4. So since the 0 is on the top, the answer is going to be 0. Now, what I want you guys to remember, if you ever get a slope where, let's just say, -4 is on top and 0 is on the bottom, anytime you have a 0 in a denominator, which is the bottom of the fraction, it's always going to be undefined. So just keep that in mind.